Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take out and insert the battery into your IMOU Cell 2 security camera. So here I have the camera, and inside it we have the battery that we want to take out, and today I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you're going to do is find this little cap on the bottom and screw it off to the left to this like unlock icon. So now it's twisted, you can just take it out. And here we have the battery inside of the camera. So to take it out, you're going to need to hold this little flap down, so squeeze it to the middle, and just take the camera or take the battery out. And you can charge it by taking a mini USB cable and just sticking it right here. So something like this. But once you're done charging and you want to put it back into the camera, what you're going to do is take the battery arrow up, so the arrow should be pointing up, and you're going to just stick it right back until it clicks and screw the cap back on. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.